Hello and welcome to another program Partnership Blitz brought to you by the South Shore Convention and Visitors Authority. My name is Nikki Lopez and we are here today at the fabulous Deep River Waterpark. Whether you're looking to stroll along the lazy river, catching some rays, or you're the more adventurous type and want to race down a water slide, this place truly has something for everybody. Now let's go have some fun. All right, we are here today with Maddie, one of Deep River's top lifeguards. Maddie, can you share the inside scoop on some of your favorites here at the water park?
Absolutely. We have things here for all ages, from little to big. It's all around. We have fast slides, we have slower slides, we have a kiddie area that's perfect for the little ones. We have the courthouse right here behind me that's good for the middle-aged. Even you adults can have fun on there. We have a lazy river if you want to relax. Then we also have an action river for a little more crazy. And then we have our wave pool, which is also good for all ages. We have a more shallow end, and then we have the deeper end. It's really a good time all around for all of you.
That sounds great. Whether you're 2 or 62, there's something to do here.
Yeah.
So I noticed you have some cabanas over here that looks like they'd be perfect for a party. Do you guys do parties here?
We do. So during the day, you can rent out the cabanas. You can do that on our website. They fit 8 to 12 people. They're super great for a spot to cool off. It's a really good time. And then we do private parties. You can do a 2 to 3 hour buyout after hours. It's a really good time.
That sounds like fun. Are you ready to go have some fun?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Hi, my name is Hayden. And my name is Haley. And our favorite slide is the Storm. Because you get to go in a big tube with you, and then it goes very fast too. And you get to go by yourself or with someone, and it's really fun because there's 3 options, and there's like a zigzag one or just straight down. And you can land in the pool.
Hi, my name is Emmy, and my favorite side's the Dragon because it goes really fast and you have to cross your arms and legs, and it's really steep and it's really fun.
We are here with some friends and family of the South Shore and we're about to race down the Kraken. Check us out. We had such a blast today at Deep River Waterpark. Everything from super fast water slides to chilling on the lazy river to even having a birthday party for lunch. We had such a great time and we hope you're going to check it out soon. Thanks for hanging with us.